Garma Joba, and welcome to Georgia Real Estate. So today, it's in this video we're looking at. This is about beginning of or somewhere in November 2022. I wanted to get a taller fence, and from far as I know, talked to a couple people. They said, all right, we could just, won't be that difficult. Don't have to knock. One guy said, well, I have to knock down part of the fence. I guess no need to knock down the fence. We can build on top of it. So we get to this first picture here, and as you can kind of see, or maybe not tell, but if you ever saw some previous videos, looks like part of the fence was knocked down. They got some stones there. These guys are getting ready to do a little bit of work now. This is just a picture. And then we go to another picture here. This one's showing a different angle. Looks like part of the fence is the top of the fence been knocked down. They got some new stones there. See, it's November, not too bad of weather. Now at the other end of the fence, we got some stones there, getting ready to do some building. Nice sunny day, not too bad. We get to finally get some video. Now it looks like we're in December here. Light snow, a little bit wet. Looks like they knocked down the whole fence. I'm not there at the moment. I had my neighbor, who's a good friend of mine. He was watching everything, so I trusted him. I wasn't too worried about it, but I didn't expect this. Probably a good thing I wasn't there. Now they're clearing some. They got a modern day front loader there, dumping some debris into a looks like a Soviet style or even a Soviet era truck, dump truck. Like I said, they didn't really mention this. There's a little bit of the scaffolding. You see a better view later. That scaffolding, had to buy a lot of that. I didn't realize that either. So we just watch this front loader a little bit. Truck's taking off, filling up the whole road here. It's not a big road. It's a dirt road. Difficult to get through on a good day, but be difficult for two cars to go through today, of course. But we now they got the whole road closed up, some dirt there. I don't know if they're using that to fill in or to what's going on with that. Like I said, I wasn't there. Now here's a picture of the scaffolding. I don't know why they'd buy so much and do it so long at once. Guess they didn't want to keep moving it around. And this is the video. Basically the finished product. Here's the new wall. You can kind of see some of the stones I think that they left from before. A lot of garbage areas, blue bags of cement. There's quite a few of those. I had to clean them up after I got back there. It was good for burning, starting a fire, but there's quite a bit of it, and a lot of it was under some snow. But here's the old gate, which you'll see in another video. I had that replaced. We're going around the hose there for water, making the cement. There's the sand, basically that was left. I had to deal with that when I got back there. Some more bags of cement, which I had to pick up. All these stones here I had to pick up, put inside. I wanted to keep them so I can make my own stone fence on the other side of the property. Here's some, I don't know what happened to those bricks. They didn't leave those for some reason. But the scaffolding I had to put away. We'll show that in another video. Look at all these stones. Actually, they're still building over here. Here's more platforms, scaffolding. I got that ladder though. Actually, it's pretty strong, but some more blue bags of cement, more stones I had to move. But the wall's almost finished here. Here's a guy who can give you an idea how tall that wall is. And the road is actually taller than my property. But when you walk on the road now, you cannot see into the property. So that's basically what I wanted. And that's about it for this video. We'll show you more videos in the future of the finished product and finished gates.